welcome back. Let's get started. Alright, pudding today. So I've got some elaborate ingredients of chocolate and 2 bananas. So I'm going to put the chocolate in the bananas and melt the chocolate. So we've got to carefully cut the bananas open. That didn't quite work as well as I was hoping. I'll wrap each one in tin foil so they don't burn on the outside. There we go, ready for the forge. I'll place them at the side of the fire and hopefully we can just lightly bake them all the way through. Or I think we can call them done. I've had a little bit of a setback as I've managed to drop this one as I was unwrapping it. It now has a bit of a higher iron content than I would have liked. Ah, it's fine. We can save it. I'll try to clean some of that off. See, it's much better now. Oh, it's like the potato all over again. I'm going to be cleaning banana up for weeks. I'll try to be a bit more careful with this one. Oh, beautiful. How do you make that look appealing? Or even edible? So there we are, a lovely hot banana and chocolate pudding.